Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following error notification while I try to play the Minecraft and it shows failed to connect to the server, and in followed by it also shows some error code. So how to fix this issue? So if you have the Minecraft Java edition, just follow this one additional step, and the step is just open your control panel. So here you can locate Java and click to open it, and in top it shows some categories. So here you can go to update and then check it if any new updates are available or not. So here my Java is up to date, so just close all the settings window. And sometimes this error is occurred due to the network problem. So first of all check your internet connection if it is works or not. So once you check it and then open command prompt, but you can open this command prompt as administrator mode and then type the following commands by one. So once you execute these commands and close all the windows and also restart your Windows PC. So after the restarting is completed, once again try to access that same Minecraft. So I hope now this time that error is automatically gone. So if maybe that error message is again and again occurring, just comment to me. I give the another solution to fix this problem. So anyway, for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.